Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just kind of did a video about this yesterday, but I didn't quite understand, and he commented he wants to be able to cut the leaf out, but he doesn't want, so we made a contour, but the contour would have been white, and if his machine cut it out and missed the line, that you would see white. So I'm going to make a boundary, and I'm going to control D and make a duplicate of that boundary, and I'm going to nudge it over. So now, and we can actually make that, he uses a different color, but in laser engravers, the cut line would be red. I think he uses another color. So we'll make the cut line red. But then we're going to take this shape and we're going to make it a darker green. So I'm going to, well, let's make it that green right there. So I'm going to right click and make the outline a green. Then I'm going to go to Object, Contour, and I'm going to contour to the outside, just like 50 steps with a different colored green. Tell you what, that might be a little bit too dark or too light. So let's do it like that. And then here's what we've done. Let me zoom in here. So we've kind of made what he is calling a shadow effect. So let's move it over and actually go to Object, Order, and back a page so we can see our cut line. And you could play around with all the different colors, you know, under the rainbow to get this. This way, if his machine cuts, you know, the leaf like out in here, it's still going to be green around it. And, you know, like I said, there's a lot you could do with this. You could have it go completely backwards. Let's get back to where we had let's make the line black. So I'm right clicking black, but I'm gonna contour, let's just do 25 times at 0.01, which are really close together on the outside. And now you've got a totally different look. It's probably too black for the leaf. So let's go back and make that color maybe a brighter green, and then contour it into a darker green. And then if we take that item and then nudge it over and put it to the back of the page so you can still see the cut line. So if it goes off the edge, it'll be kind of like a shadow effect. And you could go the opposite direction. You could have the dark here and the light there. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.